guys, it's Meryl. If you haven't been here before, welcome to my channel. And if you have been here, welcome back. So today, as you see in the video title, down below, up here, over here, somewhere, we are going to be making keto chicken tenders. I'm so excited to make this for you guys. This is one of my favorite recipes ever because it's super simple, really good, and I'm also gonna pair it with some broccoli tots, which I love. So if you can fit those into your macros, I highly recommend them. So again, if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Meryl. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the like button down below so you can see all of my videos. Also hit the notification bell so you get emails and updates when I do upload videos. I try to upload once a week on Tuesdays. My schedule has been kind of crazy lately, so I haven't been uploading in a while, but I'm back. So if you have been here before, you know what comes next, so let's get started. Alright, so there's nothing I hate more than the feel of slimy chicken straight out of the packaging. So I rinsed off the chicken, patted it dry with a paper towel, and now I'm just going to trim off this extra fat. Fat off there now. And I'm just going to cut this into chicken strip sizes. And sometimes these chicken breasts are really thick, so I usually can cut them in half, but I don't know. We might be okay. And these can be any size you want. It doesn't have to be a particular size. So I'm just gonna keep doing this and I'll just fast forward through this part. So now the chicken is all cut up and we're going to start making our batter or breading. Oh, I probably have quite a bit of chicken here. I'm just gonna start with a cup and I can always, so I can always remake the batter and stuff like that. So that way if I need more, like I said, I can make more. And then I'm just gonna season it with some chicken seasoning. So this part, really, you can add any seasonings you want to it. You don't have to do a whole ton. So I'm just doing some salt, Himalayan salt, some black pepper. And like I said, rub your chicken seasoning using some of that too. Alright, I went ahead and I'm starting to heat up my avocado oil on the stove. So I got a big frying pan, and I probably put 1/4 of an inch of avocado oil into the bottom of the pan. So just put enough in there for frying. It doesn't have to be, completely covering everything, but just enough to make the breading golden brown. So I'm just gonna mash this up a little bit. Probably add a little bit more seasoning in there. A lot of times I'll also do garlic powder and stuff like that. So you can really just make this your own as far as the seasonings. Whatever you like. Alright, now we're gonna make our egg wash. It's kind of the same thing with this. I'm just gonna start with 2 eggs, and if I need more, and if I need more, I can always get more. It's just to have a starting point. I don't like wasting ingredients, so I just try to, be a little bit more on the safe side. So I'll just set up my little you can use, spatula, fork, or just your hands. It's up to you. Sometimes I'll switch, for this part, I'll usually get a fork and kind of help bread it a little bit. I really don't like stuff being on my hands, honestly, but it's hard when you cook a lot. Sometimes you just gotta deal with it, but if I can help it, I usually just try to find a different way to do it. Just one of my pet peeves. Alright, so I'm just gonna keep doing this.
And things off the top.
Alright, now we're going to... Alright, now I'm going to do the rest of the chicken and I'll just fast forward to this part. Alright guys, so they are all done. Oh my gosh. And here they are with the broccoli tots. Oh, I'm so excited. So let's see what they look like. Well, anyway. So I found out 3.5 minutes on each side on medium heat works really well. Hold on. So it ensures that the chicken will be fully cooked, but it won't get dry, which is obviously really important. Nobody wants to eat dried chicken. I don't know why it's not focusing. Anyway, this is really good and flavorful. I'm excited for dinner tonight. Alright you guys, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it more than you know. I hope you guys really try this recipe and my other recipes as well, which throughout the video I have linked